Good morning, everyone. This is a short tutorial that will show you how to log into Google, how to get into Google Classroom, and it will also show you how to access the weekly assignments while we are closed due to COVID-19. So first of all, when you get on, if you are not using a Chromebook, or maybe your Chromebook didn't automatically sign you in when you clicked on Google, you'll go straight to google.com. You're going to come right over here where it says sign in. You'll click there. Now, all of my information is already saved, but if this is your first time signing into your Google account, you'll click use another account and you'll go ahead and enter in your sign-in information, the same thing that you used on your Chromebook at school, along with your password. And then don't forget, you have to add @menifeeusd.org. So since I'm already logged into my computer, I'll click on this one. It's going to ask you for your password. Go ahead and enter your password. Like I mentioned, it's the same password that you use to sign in on the Chromebook at school. You'll click next. And then you will know you're logged into Google if your little icon over here is your picture, or the picture that you normally see every day when you sign in at school. So that's how to log into Google. Now, to get into Google Classroom, you'll click again your picture. Actually, I'm sorry, it's not your picture. You'll click the tiles right here and you'll click Classroom. Now, you guys may see this screen with different classrooms. Now, I have quite a few classrooms, but the classroom you're going to pick is Aggies 1920. And once that opens up, it'll be the home screen. It'll show you any assignments, any material that we'll have for that week. Now, let me show you, looking ahead to next week, what your screen will look like. You are going to want to click on this one, week of 3:30 to 4:3. That will be one of the things that's going to populate. And it's going to show you a document. Go ahead and open up the document. And this will be all of your work for the week. Okay, so I've uploaded it for the entire week. So all of Monday's work will be in this column. And then so on and so forth for the rest of the weeks. Anything that is grayed out means that you don't have work for that day. So on Monday, you're going to want to click on this link at 10 a.m. We'll do a quick Google Meet. Any questions we can ask at that time. You will have a social emotional learning lesson. I just haven't posted that yet, but it will be there on Monday morning. Monday through Friday, this is what you'll be working on. Fact Monster, you'll be able to click on those links just like that, and the link will open for you. This is lesson 35, your daily math lesson. You'll click on the video, click on the link, it will populate a video. Your daily question set that you'll work on, your exit tickets, and remember, if you don't have a printer, you can always go ahead and write them on a sheet of paper. You have Dreambox all week, and if you look over here, it shows you 20 minutes daily. You do not have any science work for Monday because it's grayed out. And then you'll want to read also all week your By the Great Horn Spoon. You'll read one chapter a day and complete the log. The log is in your science and social studies book that you took home on Friday. So look in there for that. You'll have your daily ELA lesson. You'll want to click on the link. It will show you your video. And then you'll have either where you'll log into Wonders, or some days you'll have a Google Classroom assignment that you'll want to look for. You have a Padlet weekly check-in. Those are going to be on Wednesdays. Since we don't meet virtually on Wednesdays, you'll want to do the Padlet. And then you'll have a daily grammar review every day. You can see it goes all the way Monday through Friday. And then on Monday through Thursday, you're going to do independent reading for 20 minutes. And you'll notice that there's nothing here for Friday, so you don't have independent reading on Friday. However, you will have a Tinker lesson on Friday. You'll go ahead and click on this link. It'll show you a screen that looks just like this. And you're going to click, it's really hard to see on this picture, but where that little circle is, there's a Google icon. You'll click there. It should automatically sign you up with your Google ID when you sign into your Chromebook and things like that, because I've already loaded you into our Google Classroom for Tinker. So you do not need to type in a username or anything. Just go ahead and click the Google icon right there. If you're having any trouble getting into Clever or getting into Tinker, you can watch this short video right here. And that will also direct you how to log on to Clever and to log into Tinker. But this is going to be the format for the rest of the time that we're not meeting at school. It'll be exactly like this. Like I mentioned, anything that's grayed out means you don't have an assignment in that subject for that day. If it takes you all the way across like it does right there, that means you're working on those assignments Monday through Friday. So hopefully it's not too difficult. Don't stress yourself out. Just work on Monday, and then on Tuesday, head to Tuesday. If you want to complete more lessons in one day, that choice is yours, but just remember that this is considered optional if you want to do it or not. If you have any questions, remember we're going to communicate through Google Classroom, so you can post those questions underneath this actual assignment block for that week. Alrighty, take care. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them below on Google Classroom. Thanks.